Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, battery, and wireless module. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cable from the routing channel on the right speaker. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the left speaker and top cover. Carefully lift the top cover and open the notebook. While supporting the top cover, remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: system board with memory modules, RTC battery, heatsink, USB board ribbon cable, and card reader board ribbon cable, power connector cable, fan, speakers, hard disk drive assembly or solid-state drive assembly, card reader board, USB board, power button board, touchpad board. Insert the alignment pins on the top cover into the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Close the notebook. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the left speaker. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel cable ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Route the wireless antenna cable through the routing channel on the right speaker.